Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to do waxing at home, and as you can see, these are all the products that I will be using today. So first I'm going to show you the wax that I'm going to use today. So this is the Evovia Organic Hair Removal Wax. This is a 100% organic wax. So there are a lot of different types of waxes available in the market. Like we have honey wax, we have Rica, we have Brazilian wax, different kind of brands. But this is a 100% organic brand. That means it is made up of, as you can see, only sugar, honey and lemon. There is no added chemicals in this, and it is 100% safe. I have already used 2 tins of this earlier. This is the third one that I am using, and after using this wax, you will not get any rashes, or you will not get any irritation or itchiness on your skin. This is a very good wax, and it removes very small tiny hairs from your skin as well. I have personally used this and I absolutely love this wax. And for the wax heater, I am going to use this product. This is Pro Wax 100 wax heater. So if you use wax heater, is very easy to do the waxing process. You can heat up the wax by using different processes, like you can microwave it. You can also keep the wax in a tub and then put the tub in hot water, and by that process you can heat it up. But if you're using a wax heater, it becomes very easy. And also I'm using this wax strips and this blunt knife for waxing. So all these products I have purchased from Amazon. I will be giving the direct links from where you can go and buy this products if you want to buy. So the links will be mentioned in the description below. Go and check it out. So this organic wax retails for 799 rupees for 100 grams of product, but I think I got it for 450 or 500 rupees from Amazon. So these products will be on discount, you can get it. And another good thing about this particular product is that it comes with an airtight cap. So generally what happens, if you have seen, the wax containers are like metal, like the container is of metal, and the cap is also metal, so it's very difficult to keep it in an airtight condition. But this is a very good cap, and when you buy the product, I mean in the new condition, it will be up to here. Right now the amount is less because I've already used it a couple of times, so yeah, this much product is left. Otherwise it will be till here. Like the quantity is very good. Guys, this is the color of the wax. So generally wax will be white, or honey color, but this is like a dark brown color, I think because of the sugar. So now I'm going to put this wax in the heater and heat it. This Pro Wax 100 wax heater comes with regulator, as you can see here. Right now the power is on, and I have turned this on. I have kept it for medium, so the wax will be heated in medium temperature. And if I turn this to high, then the wax will be heated faster. So you can regulate the temperature, and if you want to off it, you can just regulate it, and yeah, just come here and then the light will be off. That means the heater is off. So guys, don't overheat the wax. Okay, if you overheat it, your skin might get burned. And keep checking the consistency while heating. It should not become super liquidy. It should be like semi-thick and semi-liquid. Like this is the state, okay, which is the perfect state that I'm showing right now. And also before applying the wax on your skin, just blow once or twice so that you don't burn your skin. So I am going to wax this part of the leg now. So before waxing, make it a point to apply some talcum powder so that you remove the excess moisture that is available on the skin. And also if you have applied any moisturizer earlier, or any kind of lotion or cream on your skin, make a point to wash it before waxing, because if you apply the wax on moistured skin, it will not work. So I'm applying a talcum powder now. I have taken the wax on the knife and I am going to apply it towards the direction of the hair growth. So this is the direction of the hair growth. You can see the hairs are pointing towards downwards. So I'm applying it, on the downward side. The one strip is quite, wide. So depending on the width of the strip, you cover the area. Placing the wax strip on the covered area, and now I'm going to pull the strip against the direction of the hair growth. So again I'm going to do another part of the leg. I've applied the wax similarly and I put the strip. Now I'm going to pull it, and woo, as you can see, it is completely clear. Processes of hair removal, and then you can try this method that I shown today in the video. It is very, very easy, and also it's very much convenient around this time of the year when lockdown is going on and parlors are closed. You cannot go to parlor. And also for people who want to save money, they can try waxing in the home. It saves a lot of money. And also the products that we use for waxing, like the heater, the wax, you can use it multiple times, so it's kind of cost effective. So I hope this video is going to help you if you're trying to wax at home. And this wax is very, very good. As I said, it's organic wax, so I would recommend you to go and try this brand. And yeah, that's all. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos from me. And if you like this video in particular, then please hit the like button. See you all soon. Bye.